Record.
Good morning, children.
Good morning,
Good
ma'am.
morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Visible, audible, all well?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Visible and audible. Clear? Okay, good morning, all of you. So we all know that what we have decided to do today? Narration,
Yes, ma'am.
direct and indirect speech. Okay?
Interrogative sentences.
Yes, today I'm going to explain you interrogative sentences. Clear? Okay? Okay, so as I told you that now we have 4 set of rules. All remember? Now with the help of those 4 rules, rule number 1, you will only look at the reporting verb. First of all, I'm talking about tense only. Other changes will be applicable in all the rules, in all types of sentences. समझ रहे हो मेरी बात? I'm talking about rule of tense, which we have different type of sentence, different tense for different type of sentences. As फिर से याद दिला दो quickly, very quickly. I'm just recapitulating. First rule says if the reporting verb is in present or future tense, then the tense of reporting verb reported speech is not changed. चाहे वो कोई भी sentence form हो, interrogative हो, assertive हो, कोई भी exclamatory हो, but it will not change. Talking about tense. Other changes will take place, definitely, but that will not change. Fine. Second rule says if the reporting verb is in past tense and reported speech is in present tense, then it will change into its corresponding tense. Fine. बताइए corresponding means similar tense like present, simple present, simple past, present continuous, past continuous, present perfect, past perfect, present perfect continuous, past perfect continuous. Rule 3 again says, यहाँ देखो, reporting verb and reported speech, they both are in past tense. Then you will look at the form of sentence. If the sentence is in past simple past, it will change into past perfect. If the sentence is in past continuous, ध्यान से सुनो, past continuous, then it will change into past perfect continuous. And for past perfect, rule 4 says if the reporting verb is in past tense and reported speech is in future tense, then the common changes will take place. May will change into might, will and shall will change into would, can will change into could. So now these tenses, all rules are clear. So we are now going to move to next thing. That is how to change interrogative sentence, which is always creating trouble to the children. Interrogative sentences. Now see children, there are 2 types of interrogative sentences. है ना? 2 तरह से interrogative sentence बनाते हैं हम लोग. One, with help of auxiliary verb or modal auxiliary. Okay, he is going to the school. Is he going to the school? I am feeling well. Am I feeling well? Okay, he has completed his homework. Has he completed his homework? They had gone to the market. Had they gone to the market? So I can do this work. Can I do this work? Okay, he will complete his homework today. Will he complete his homework today? So these are the things which we all know. Then we have WH family. WH family, है ना? We have 8 members. Why, when, where, which, whom, how, what, and when, why, where, which, why, whom, how, all basically. So these are the 8. Now what you do, there is a little difference. Few things before explaining you how to change. एक बात याद रखना. Let me start with the example because now rules you all know. So I will explain you example and then how to change it. Let's take one simple sentence. एक छोटा sentence. He said.
Good morning,
Comma.
ma'am.
Good morning. Inverted comma. Okay. Simple sentence. Is he going to complete his homework? A question. A normal question. Is he going to complete his homework? Simple question. अब देखो, the very first thing you all
मैम हम यहाँ पे if
do,
and whether यूज करेंगे ना?
wait beta, yes, wait. Now see, we have one rule. The very first rule is what? That we have to connect these two parts. Reporting verb and reported speech. Narration का ये first rule है. Reporting verb and reported speech. The very first thing what you will do, you will change. अब चूंकि ये question है. This is a question, so it is always advisable to start. जैसे he said will change into asked.
Asked.
पूछ रहा है. Asked. Now let us see. Previously, in all other types of sentences, we were connecting reporting verb and reported speech with what? That. Normal, commonly that. Here we will not use that. We will use if or whether. If or whether. If and whether is similar. Synonym जैसा है वो. If or whether. Okay, anywhere, anything you can use. There is no particular rule about it. So, अब ले लिया if. Now see, अब यहाँ क्या सीखना है? आगे देखो, ध्यान से. All of you, those who are learning this for the very first time, please listen carefully. अब इस sentence को तुम देखो, यहाँ से यहाँ तक. It is an interrogative sentence. Is he going to complete his homework? इसको सबसे पहले क्या करो? Change करो assertive में. Assertive में एक step extra लेना पड़ेगा. But you will always have one confidence that there will be no error anywhere. See, एक बार यहाँ पे इसको छोटा सा लिखो. He is going to complete his homework. Clear? Now this is, you have changed this interrogative को क्या किया तुमने? Assertive में change कर दिया. Now look at this sentence. इस sentence को देखो कैसा है ये? What type of sentence it is? What type of sentence it is?
I'm assertive.
Assertive but tense. I'm talking about tense now.
Continuous.
Present
Continuous.
continuous.
Present
Rule 2
continuous.
को याद करो. Remember rule 2. Present continuous changes into past continuous.
Past
अब
continuous.
इसको ऐसे बनाओ. Simple. He asked if he, past continuous, was going to complete his homework. And now you will remove interrogative since this sentence is in assertive form. So no need to put a question mark here. क्यों? क्योंकि question mark तब डालते हैं जब interrogative sentence होता. but now this sentence is in assertive form. So what we will do, we will not add question mark, we will simply add a full stop. बात समझ रहे हो ना? That whenever you are changing an interrogative sentence, an interrogative in direct speech to indirect form of speech, the very first thing you will do, you will change that sentence into assertive form. जैसे assertive form में change करोगे, 1, 2, 3, 4 चार rules दिमाग में आ जाएंगे. You will see the sentence, tense को ध्यान दोगे because it's all about tense. Assertive, interrogative के अलावे सबसे important factor क्या है? Tense. So you will look at the tense of the sentence, and this sentence is what? A continuous tense. And present continuous. So present continuous will change into past continuous. And if अगर बच्चे ऐसे, बहुत बच्चे क्या करते हैं? He asked if, he was नहीं, was he. यहाँ पे क्या कर देते हैं? Was he. This is wrong. क्योंकि ये फिर इंट्रोगेटिव ही में रह गया. वो क्या करेंगे? सीधे 1 to 1 चेंज करेंगे. No, but this is the incorrect form of sentence. So if you will write down he asked if was he, then ये गलत हो जाएगा. This is incorrect. तो वहां क्या करोगे? Assertive. So he asked if he was going to complete his homework. Clear? Is it clear or not? So an
Yes, ma'am.
interrogative sentence.
Yes, ma'am.
And अब सुनो एक बात. An interrogative sentence which begins with auxiliary verb or modal auxiliary, then there, while connecting reporting verb to reported speech, we will use if or whether. लेकिन यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा रूल चेंज हो जाता है. WH वर्ड से शुरू होता है. अगर यही होगा, why is he not going to complete his homework? मैं इसी सेंटेंस को ऐसे लेती हूँ, समझो. Look, he said, why is he, मान लो, not going to complete his homework. Now see this sentence. यहाँ पे क्या आ गया? एक WH word आ गया ना? Why is he not going to complete it? और मैंने बताया था ना कि जब भी Y से या WH फैमिली से कोई भी इंट्रोगेटिव सेंटेंस स्टार्ट करोगे, तो right after WH word you will write down an auxiliary verb. एक auxiliary verb ले आओगे. Then the grammatically that sentence will be correct. Grammar is very important. Grammatically, hey, mute yourself. Otherwise, I will remove you from the class. Who is this? Sanvi Singh. Sanvi. Okay. So see, now what we are going to do. See, अब देखो कैसे बनेगा ये सेंटेंस. ज्यादा टेंशन नहीं लेना है. क्या करना है? Once again. यहाँ हमने क्या? He asked, because it's a question. So he asked. Now definitely कोई if नहीं, कोई whether नहीं. Then how we will change this into indirect form of speech? The word why, ये जो word why है ना, now it will work as a connector. और क्या करेंगे? He asked why. सीधे यहाँ why लिख दिया. He asked why. अब फिर क्या बच गया ये सेंटेंस? अब इसको assertive में चेंज करो. Is he not going to complete his homework? So he is not going to complete his homework. अब देख लिया what type of sentence it is? Present continuous. Present continuous बदल गया past continuous में, तो क्या हो जाएगा आंसर? He asked why he was not going to complete his homework. Got it? And no interrogative sign, only full stop. समझ रहे हो ना? Two types of interrogative sentence. One which starts with modal auxiliary या auxiliary verb. वहां पे when you will connect reporting verb and reported speech, तो या use करोगे if या whether. But if the sentence is beginning with why, then no need to use if or whether. Why itself will work as a connector. बस he asked why यहाँ तक का काम, और बाकी का सेंटेंस वैसे ही, he was not going to complete his homework. अब देखो इसी को मैं रूल 3 में अप्लाई कर रही हूँ. अब सुनो सेम सेंटेंस. चलो now see, I'm going to change the tense. Fine, he said, comma, within inverted comma. Was he not going to complete his homework? समझ गए? अब ये हो गया was. Again listen carefully. The sentence is beginning with what? Sentence is beginning with, yes, an auxiliary verb. Clear? Now see, again what you are supposed to do? Look here. He said, please mute yourself. Who is this fellow? Let me take his name. Mayank, please either you mute yourself or leave the class.
Yeah.
I don't know why children don't know the basic courtesy. You are disturbing other children also. Whoever have not unmuted himself or herself, actually you are creating such a chaotic noise in the classroom that it is disturbing other children, even me. Okay. Now see, ab dhyan se suno. See this sentence. He said, was he not going to complete his homework? अब देखो फिर से कुछ नहीं करना है. He said will change into asked. अब model auxiliary या it is beginning with an auxiliary verb, तो पता है यहाँ if लगेगा, whether लगेगा, तो चलो if ही लगा दिया. Again अब क्या करो, फिर से इसको क्या करो, assertive में change करो. He was not going to complete his homework. Full stop. ठीक है? Now अब देखो. Now look at the sentence. What type of sentence it is?
Past continuous.
Okay. Rule 3 याद करो. Past continuous changes into
Past perfect continuous.
perfect continuous.
very good. Past perfect. तो क्या हो जाएगा? He asked if he had not been
completing.
अब going to complete his homework. Had not been going to, yes, going को हटाना नहीं है, to complete his homework. Full stop. He hadn't been going to complete his homework, and full stop. Clear? समझ आ रहा है? Don't tell me, because I'm going to test you very soon. Don't nod your head as you are listening and you are understanding. Okay, अब एक चीज और देखो. Now let us few more examples, then it will be clear to you. चलो, some examples. एक चीज तुम्हें बताती हूँ. पहला, take one simple past sentence. बताओ, कोई simple past sentence बताओ. She said. टेंस में क्या था? मीरा sang a song. चलो वही लेते हैं. तो अब मीरा sang a song को क्या कहे? इंट्रोगेटिव में बनाओ. दो चीज देखो, सुनो. Does पहले प्रेजेंट. Does मीरा sing a song? She said. Did Meera sing a song? Now see, how will you change this? बताओ. She asked. सबसे पहले तो यहाँ कर लेंगे. इसका देखो. She asked. कैसे? If अब इसको क्या करो? Now listen. फिर से जो एक स्टेप एक्स्ट्रा लो. Does Meera sing a song? change it into assertive. Change it into assertive. क्या हो जाएगा? Meera sings a song. Meera sings a song. Now what type of sentence it is? ये कैसा sentence है बताओ? Simple present.
present.
Rule 2 says simple present will change into simple past.
Simple past.
अब इसका आंसर क्या हो जाएगा? She asked if Meera sang
Sang a song.
Clear? समझ गए? अब आ जाओ नेक्स्ट सेंटेंस में. Did Meera sing a song? इसको फिर से चेंज करो assertive फॉर्म में. Meera sang a song. यहाँ क्या हो जाएगा आंसर? Meera sang a song. ठीक है? अब ये सेंटेंस कैसा है? Meera sang a song. This is simple past. Rule 3 says simple past changes into past perfect. तो क्या हो जाएगा इसका आंसर? She asked if Meera
Had been singing.
Past perfect, not past perfect continuous. Meera had, very good. Meera had sung a
Song.
Clear? समझ आ रहा है what I mean to say?
Yes, ma'am.
समझ रहे हो ना?
Yes, ma'am.
क्लियर है? अब इसी में अगर मैं WH वर्ड्स जोड़ दूं, इफ आई विल ऐड W, सुनो ना, सुनो जरा स्टाफ रूम से चौक लाके दो, तो तुरंत लाके दो, मेरा और ये चल रहा है रिकॉर्डिंग. नाउ सी, वेरी सुन. अब इसी को मैं क्या कर रही हूं? आई एम जस्ट कन्वर्टिंग इट इनटू इंटरोगेटिव, सॉरी WH से. सुनो, let him bring the chalk. Okay. Now the very first question is, when does Meera sing a song? दूसरे में मैं ये पूछ लेती हूँ, where did Meera sing a song? कहाँ पे, कब? ठीक है. अब सुनो, she asked, यहाँ क्या हो जाएगा? if की जगह क्या हो जाएगा? when. हाँ, she asked when Meera sang a song. बाकी सब वैसे ही रहेगा, because when नीचे किया, फिर हमने इस सेंटेंस को does Meera sing a song, then we changed this does Meera sing a song into assertive Meera sings a song, और फिर हमने इसको क्या कर दिया? रूल 2 के हिसाब से Meera sang a song. So the answer will be she asked when Meera sang a song. उसी तरह से नेक्स्ट सेंटेंस में आ जाओ. She said, where did Meera sing a song? So she asked
where Meera sang a song.
हाँ, where Meera had. Who said this? Incorrect answer कौन बोला अभी? She asked where Meera had sung a song. So see, the very little difference you will find. छोटा सा difference है. What is the basic difference? That when an interrogative sentence in indirect speech begins with auxiliary verb or modal auxiliary, then what do? क्या करते हैं हम लोग? We use that. We use if or whether to connect reporting verb and reported speech. Clear? But when the sentence begins with WH family words, then we use that same word, okay, to work as connector. Rest of the rules will remain as it is. Is it clear or not? Tell me. Clear हो रहा है कि
Yes,
नहीं?
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
अब मैं 2 सेंटेंस देती हूँ, तुरंत मुझे बना के दिखाओ. All of you sit with pen and paper quickly. See, two sentences I have written on the green board. C said, "Do you know him?" Sign of interrogation. Again, C said, "Did you know him?" Sign of interrogation. Now, quickly, I'm giving you 2 minutes to change this into indirect form of a speech. Yes, Sarthak. Abhay, come here. इसको ऊपर करो तो। She asked whether, okay. Harshit, Sanvi, very good. Okay, very good, very good. चलो सही बनाया. Now who will tell me offline? Online children, they have understood it. Most of them are giving correct answer. Yes, Sarthak. Very good. Yeah. Very good. Sanvi, Sarthak, Harshit, Jo, all have given me correct answer. Okay, tell me, Abhay, get up. First sentence. Remove a little bit, thoda sa mask hata ke, then speak. Speak loudly. No, you don't. हाँ, I you को चलो चलेगा. If I knew him. नहीं समझे. Very clearly I explained you everything. तब भी नहीं समझे. What can I do, बेटा? बताओ कैसे समझाऊं तुम्हें? Now see what type of sentence मैंने क्या बताया? पहले इसको क्या करो? Change it into assertive. Assertive में क्या हो जाएगा? You know him. You know him is what type of sentence?
Simple past.
Simple. हाँ, simple present change into simple
मैम
past.
पहले का नाम
Answer
she
क्या हो
asked
जाएगा?
if I knew him होगा.
Yes, yes. She asked if I knew him. Clear? क्योंकि no knew में बदल जाएगा. Second sentence, it is past tense. इसको interrogative did को भूल जाओ तो इसका आंसर क्या हो जाएगा? If you will change into you knew him. So simple past changes into past perfect. तो क्या हो जाएगा? She asked if I had known him. She asked if I had known him. Clear? I don't know what type of problem you children are having. Acha suno. Keep on practicing and read all the rules carefully. Tomorrow when we will have our class, I will bring 10 or maybe 15 questions. Then and there you all will, I will write it in the board और सब उसको solve करोगे. Online, offline, all the children. Okay? Tomorrow, even if you will not come, but you all will solve answers. Clear? Okay, children?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
If you
ma'am.
have any query, any question, you can ask me now. पूछ सकते हो. Anything. Now, basically, set of narration, the rules, it is complete. Now we have one form of sentence and that is exclamatory sentences. You all know how it have occurred. Tomorrow we will discuss about the
Yes,
same.
ma'am.
Okay, children. Okay, tomorrow we will discuss about the different types of sentences: imperative sentence, exclamatory sentence. Clear? And I will
Yes,
also,
ma'am.
first of all, a small test. 10 sentences I will give you, and quickly I would like you to convert it into indirect form of the speech. Okay? Okay, children? No problem at all. If you have any query, you can ask me now. Anyone, offline, online children, whoever is there attending class. No problem you have, children? Number of participants. Yes. What? Who will explain him? So no problem, no problem. Okay, children, then I'm ending class for the online children. Have a good day, children.